speed and more speed is what this machine is all about. It is Kitamura's MyCenter HX250 IG. It's a horizontal machine and it's available from stock, isn't it, Sia?
Yeah, that's right.
So who is this machine really aimed at?
Generally, horizontal machining centers are aimed at really high volume production, and also Kitamura offers extremely fast speeds.
But accuracy at the same time.
And accuracy as well, yeah.
So tell me about the spindle on this machine, because there's lots of really impressive figures you've got behind it.
HX250 comes with 15,000 RPM direct driver spindle, which is 11 kilowatts. So it's actually very powerful, even though it's PT30.
And the tool change is amazing on this.
Yeah, tool change is really fast. It's actually under a second. It's 0.9 of a second.
And the rapids?
60 meters a minute.
I mean, look, all these impressive figures, but it's not just about this machine, because it comes as a whole package from stock here. So it's all connected. So how does it kind of get configured?
This is a 10-station automatic pallet system, which come as an option for this machine. You don't need to order it from the beginning. You can field install it, what we call, so you can add it in a later time.
So I've been to some really impressive case studies about this exact machine. People love it, and they love that kind of variety. They're not just putting, high production. They're not just putting the same parts to that spindle. They're putting multifaceted fixtures on there.
Yeah, that's right.
All sorts.
Yeah.
So why is it that this is becoming so popular now?
Having this setup basically means that you can machine multiple parts with different programs, which is perfect for unmanned machining and lights out machining.
And it's super speedy.
That's right. Yeah.
It absolutely is. It's available from stock here at Dugard, the Kitamura MyCenter HX250 IG.